Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing taxes here in Thailand. And a recent article from the Bangkok Post print edition, and I do take the print edition because honestly, I find I can read a little bit more deeply when I'm actually reading newsprint. And I think I come upon things of a little bit more deeper nature sometimes when I'm reading newsprint, and that happened to happen with respect to this issue just recently. So article is titled "Government Mulls Extra Public Debt." And while at first this seems like an article regarding obviously public debt and finance, there were some interesting implications, I think, that are worth noting for folks who are doing business here in Thailand. Quoting directly, the finance ministry is weighing the necessity of additional borrowing to offset the budget deficit for this fiscal year and has instructed all tax collecting agencies to arrange a revenue collection management plan to boost state coffers. And note that, revenue collection management plan. Quoting further, the government's revenue collection for fiscal 2020 is quite certain to fall short of target as the pandemic has paralyzed business activities, he said. Mr. Uttama delegated tax collecting agencies to plan revenue collection management to boost income. So the thing that I think is notable, especially for those who are doing business here in the kingdom, is clearly the Revenue Department is concerned about shortfalls with respect to projected income tax collection or revenue collection, so which stem from things like value-added tax, aka VAT, as well as corporate withholding tax, as well as certain withholdings done for payrolls, salaries, etc., and presumably income tax as well. Now, under standard circumstances, things would have rolled along through 2020, and I don't think we'd be reading this article or reading the information contained in this article. But COVID-19 sort of did a number, for lack of a better term, on the Thai economy, and the months of shutdown or relatively anemic economic activity resulted in obviously fewer transactions. We've also had essentially an inbound tourism ban, which has resulted in a lot of folks not being able to get into Thailand, which that has had an impact on overall revenue and therefore taxes associated therewith. So the thing to understand is those who are doing business here in the kingdom, especially foreigners who probably don't have the tightest grasp over especially the more finer points and minutia of tax matters here in Thailand, probably going to want to get with your accounting team and your tax advisory team this year, because I think it's fairly safe to presume that we're going to see a rather rigorous initiative on the part of the Revenue Department here in Thailand to go ahead and try, as specifically noted in this article, to boost income, quote unquote, to boost income. So they're going to be looking for ways in which to generate some more revenue. Now, what exactly this means remains to be seen, but hopefully we'll be able to update you as the situation progresses.